Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV, your most amazing news for our viewer. Yeah, the question of how life could have emerged is one of the most long-standing mysteries in science. Presently, in a new study, the laboratory of LMU professor Dieter Braun has uncovered an unexpected form of molecular collaborations between the fundamental components of life. The researchers found that amino acids, simple, abundant molecules on early Earth, can actively promote the polymerization of RNA under mild prebiotic condition. This finding challenges long-held assumptions about the RNA world, at the origin of life, and suggests that life may have started through a more balanced interplay between RNA and amino acids. Biopolymers composed of different building blocks are essential for a living system. For the same, RNA, a molecular thread comprising four bases, creates the blueprint for the production of proteins from amino acids. And these proteins in turn drive all biochemical reaction inside the cell. Life. As we know, it today is a complex collaboration of two informational polymers, RNA and protein. The big question is why and how did they join forces at the beginning of life, even before Darwin molecular evolution began? Asks Braun, principal investigator of the study. The researchers whose study has now been published in Nature Communications demonstrated that the formation of the RNA molecules increased to 100-fold in the presence of amino acid. And this process is attributed to a form of acid-base catalysis driven by the amino group of amino acids. At an alkyl pH, amino acid exist in both neutral and negatively charged form, enabling them to settle protons in the polymerization reaction that forms RNA from ribonucleoside 2,3 cyclic phosphates, a prebiotically pulsable starting point of life. Our findings close a critical gap in our understanding of early evolution. Until now, we knew how proteins were made by the catalytic machinery of RNA, but now we are beginning to understand how the building blocks of proteins can also help RNA form. It is a mutual dependence of two core molecules of life that reshapes our view of life's molecular origin, says Saroj Raut, lead author of the study. Amazing, sir. Bow down. Behind this exclusive report.